Good morning. Welcome to today's tuition on sound banks. And the sound we're learning today is the first sound of the English sound system. And the second one is the sound we get from letter L. So let's begin with the first sound of the English sound system. Sound it to me, everyone. Good. It's what? Ah. It's as simple as that. And that sound is realized in words from which letter? Thank you. Letter A. Good. Now let's move to the next one, which is, I'm not supposed to sound it. Sound it to me. What is the sound of letter L? Good. It's O, right? Thank you. Now let's move to examples of words on both sounds. Starting with A, which is represented by this symbol. That's a symbol of A. Okay? Now we can see A in words from letter A, words like happy, landscape, from the part land gets out there. Okay? You can still get out from sand, mathematics, the first A. Good. And some other words like that. But all of those words, only one letter is spelling A, which is letter A. But let's move to these words. Let's move to the next sound rather, which is O. Okay. Normally we get O from letter O, but other letters could spell O in words too. I believe you know that. Okay, good. So look at these words and tell me the letters that sounds O. Sausage, because, cough, now let's start with sausage. From the word sausage, which letter or letters sound O? Good. It's AU, right? Thank you. How about because 2 is AU. Good. How about quash? Which letter sounds O from quash? Thank you. It's UA. Good. Okay. How about from the word cough? OU, right? That's it. So that is to tell you that not one letter O will sound O, but there are other letters that can sound O in words. That's it. Now let's move to how to transcribe words on both sounds. Let's pick from A. Let's pick mathematics. From the word mathematics, what's the first sound? That's right. Followed by A. Good. And good. That was the first TH sound. And after that we have schwa, math, and next sound after good, and good, and the sound of letter A. E. Good, thank you. And mathematics. Now after the K, what's the last sound? S. That's it. It's as simple as that. The way the word is pronounced, that should be the way you transcribe. Now let's move to O. Let's pick which word? Let's pick quality. I like quality. From the word quality, good. Sound the first sound. Quality. Good. It's and the next sound is O. And good. And Sound letter I, A. And last sound, still A, from letter I, from letter Y rather. Quality, not quality. So you don't say the last sound is no, it's quality. Thank you. So you will do this for me. You list, let's do it like this. List 5 words from A and transcribe it. List 5 words from each of these spelling variants of O, AU, UA. Let's look it out like O, AU, and what? That's it, UA. Good. So, list 5 words from all of those spelling variants of O, and then you list 5 words on A, and all of those words, you transcribe them. It's as simple as that. That's your home activity. And I'll see you all in the next lesson. Goodbye for now, and do enjoy the rest of the day.